Welcome back, everybody. I'm the EagleFan. This is my channel. I react to music, and that's what I'm going to do tonight. This is something that came up on my feed a little while back. It's a group I've listened to before. I've even reacted to on this channel under a different name. It looks like they've changed their name. And previous reactions were to covers. This looks to be an original song of their own. This is No Apology. The song is called Ashes. It says the stripped down version. So I'm guessing that means acoustic. Maybe piano? Or acoustic. Or both. Anyway, let's get over to this screen. Okay, I am ready for this. This is a group that used to be Sershkin and Zaretskaya. Forgive me if I totally butchered that name. I apologize. Even though it says here, no apology. I'm sorry. I'm ready for this. Let's hear it.
Just as broken as I am, but you're a way better liar. It taught me how to play this game. You told me you'd take me higher, and now there's fire in the sky, and I am losing my sleep. I scream, but no one hears me cry. Take any more. No, I cannot take any more. Step me in the back, and I know you made a huge mistake. Something that you can't erase, and now we turn into ashes. No, we can't go back. You took away something I can't breathe.
Okay. Early thoughts. I like it. I like the guitar. I like the sound. Her voice goes well in this. I like that it's stripped down. So I'm guessing, since it said this is a stripped down version, I'll have to look and see if there's a full plugged in version of this as well. Let's get back. Let's hear some more. Forgive me, sometimes I just kind of close my eyes and listen. It's that kind of a song where you just kind of want to just take it in.
You're just as lonely as I am. We are so sick and tired. Admit we both have lost the game. Oh, can't you see we are drowning? And now there's thunder in the sky. That's keeping me up at night. I bleed, but now my eyes are dry. No, I can't anymore. No, I can't take any more. No, I each other's faces. We're building higher fences. We build them higher and higher.
Okay, just gonna pause there one last time, then we'll watch the rest. I'm just feeling very relaxed, kind of comforted by this. You see, a lot of times I just sitting here closing my eyes and just kind of going with the music. That's a good sign. This is easily a hammock track. Go on that hammock playlist, just lay back, relax, take in a nice day. Once we get back to hammock weather, obviously. So let's watch the rest of this and then we'll discuss.
I will rise from the ashes. I'm gonna rise from the ashes. I will rise from the ashes. Oh, you stabbed me in the back, and now you know you better catch my mistake. Sun that should come and rains, and now we turn into ashes. Oh, you can't go back. You'll take away something I can't replace. But on your hands, you're such a big disgrace. But I will rise from the ashes.
Okay, that was No Apology with Ashes acoustic, as it says on there. Let's go over here. Now we can discuss. I gotta say, I really like that. That just had this nice, pleasant sound and feel to it. Like I mentioned earlier, I could easily see laying out back in the hammock, just having that on the playlist, just relaxing. I mean, many times in there, I just kind of closed my eyes and listened. And that says a lot to me, at least. To me personally, it says a lot to me. Because I'm not taking anything else in but the music at that point in time. You know, it's just kind of a live, they sit there and play video. So it's not a video where I have to sit there and watch the video. There's not things going on in the video where it's like, oh, I missed something. But it's still nice to watch them play as well. But I liked it. Very good job. Very good job to No Apology. I believe the lead singer's name is Daria, if I am remembering correctly. Very nice. Very nice indeed. So thank you guys if you made it this far. Like, comment, subscribe. Click on the little bell if you want to know when I have a new video out. It's always appreciated. Never pressured. I definitely appreciate it if you made it this far. Again, let me know your thoughts down below. What do you think of the group? Have you seen other stuff from them? Do you have any other recommendations? Yeah, what can you tell me? Thank you again. Please, be good to each other. We need so much more of that out there. A lot of crazy stuff still going on. Stay safe and healthy. You know I like going to concerts. A world with you in it is a better world, and I want to see you at those concerts. Keep your eyes to the sky, because you never know what you might see. Take care, everybody. Until next time.